Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 22nd December 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 4, number 13, number 26, number 45, number 37, booster number 20. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% winning chance. Join now UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 9, number 46, number 38, number 12, number 34, booster number 22. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe now.